Okay, hey, I wanted to make you a video showing you how to do section D in your test. And so the way I was looking at it was a little off, but I know better now. So first thing that we want to do is we notice on the instructions, they give us f of x equals negative x minus 11. Okay, so they're acknowledging that this is x, okay? Now, in question number 1, they've given us two separate equations, okay? And so this is saying 4f of negative 2, okay? So negative 2 is x plus 5f of 1, so 1 is x, okay? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to introduce these numbers into this top equation. So I'll leave my 4, okay? And then I'm going to say negative 2. I already have a negative, so I end up with two negatives. Let me write both of those out. So I've got one here, and two negatives equal a positive. So I'll have a 2 minus 11 plus, and then I've got 5, and then it's x of 1. So I'm going to put my 1 in here. It becomes a negative because there's a negative up here, minus 11. Okay, from here I just continue to solve. So I'm going to have 4, and then I've got a positive 2, a minus 11, which leaves me with a negative 9. Plus 5, and I've got a negative 1, plus a negative 11, which gives me a negative 12. Okay, I just need to multiply from here. So I've got 4 times negative 9, which gives me a negative 36, plus 5 times negative 12, which gives me a negative 60. And I'm adding a negative and a negative, so I just combine them to get a negative 96. All right, so that is problem number 1. I want to go ahead and also do problem number 4 because it's a little different and it's fraction, so I just want to make sure you're okay with that one. All right, so let me scoot back over 1 second. Okay, sorry, we got cut off there. So this is what your problem looks like. So they're saying f of x of 9x and f of negative 6x. Again, I still have negative x minus 11. Okay, and remember, I'm going to use these numbers as my x. So this is going to become negative 9 minus 11 over negative 6 minus 11. All right, so we solve here. So I've got negative 9 minus 11, which is like saying a plus negative. So I'm combining two negative numbers to give me a negative 20. I'm going to put that over negative 6 minus 11, which is like saying plus negative, and that gives me a negative 17. Oh, you know what? I messed up. Hang on. Because this is a negative and this is also a negative, it's actually a double negative. So that's going to become 6 plus negative 11. So I'm actually left with a negative 5. Much better, right? Okay, remember, if I have an improper fraction, this turns into a division bar. I'm going to work my way up. Negative 5 divides into negative 20. Positive 4 times. If I divide by negative into a negative, it's a positive 4. All right, I do want to go ahead and tell you that D2, the answer is 624. And for D3, well, I'm going to let you work that one out. So if you cannot get these two, call me. Okay, there you go. Call me or I'm sorry, send me a snap and just say, what am I doing wrong? Okay? All right, talk to you later. Bye.